Okay gang, for our 3D strap rotational split squat. So first off, if you don't have a 3D strap, you can just grab 2 strength bands, link them together, okay? Very similar idea. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put my right arm through the strap, so it goes over my shoulder. I'm gonna wrap around, so the strap's around my back. Okay, I'm gonna set up basically 180 degrees from the anchor point here. Okay, so from here, nice tall, good stack of thorax on top of rib cage. Sorry, thorax on top of pelvis. And then from here, I'm gonna kind of hinge forward. I'm gonna kick my outside foot straight back. Okay, I'm up on the toes in that foot. This is very similar to a hip airplane when we're trying to rotate the pelvis kind of down a little bit, sink it into that hip, and then rotating out while we're keeping belt buckle and sternum kind of simultaneously rotating back and forth or up and down. So similar, we're just gonna go into a split squat now. We're really changing levels with this drill, okay? So here, good stack of thorax on pelvis, okay? For hands, I'm gonna give you a couple options here. I'm just gonna start out with basically my hands kind of on my chest. If you wanna really make sure that you're having belt buckle and sternum moving at the same time, you can kind of put a finger on each one, okay? So you're here, gonna go straight down, so your head shouldn't like move back and forth. It should move kind of in a straight line. I'm gonna try and keep my head, I don't know if you guys can see it, but on my tiling here, I have a line here. So I'm gonna try and keep my head kind of over top of that. So I'm here, gonna go down, rotate, and come straight up, and kind of rotate out of it. So again, sternum and belt buckle are facing in the same direction. Down, and up, okay? You can also throw a club if you want to, across your shoulders. You don't have to, it doesn't really add anything to it, but we're golfers. Sometimes we like to, you know, be golfish. So we're here. We're just trying to keep that knee in line with that big toe. Guys, that is your 3D strap rotational split squat.